Long run up for the defender. Well, extravagantly done, and it goes down to the 5th spot kick for Chiefs.
Extravagant. The fact that it goes high, it comes down, and quickly execute. The coordination. Got it right. And the gentleman is up there. He says something is not right.
Yeah, Peterson outfoxed by that jump.
He says something is not right. There's a yellow being shown to one of the players. What happened there? It's not over yet.
So, it falls now to the left foot of Aidan McCarthy. First penalty of his professional career. Oh, he's done it! He sent them through to the next round. McCarthy, who was dropped midweek after what some deemed to be a slightly lackluster performance out in Luanda a week ago, shows nerves of steel to send Chiefs through.
I am imagining the father, Fabian McCarthy, how he's feeling, the excitement at home. Of course, we have to focus here as well on the fans who are believing and the dancing. And you can see the VIP area. Things are happening. Pramike is smiling. They're embracing Fabian McCarthy.